Hello everyone, come join me make pork asado today. Just preparing my meat here. I'll be marinating this with lime, soy sauce, and black pepper. Alright guys, so our meat has done marinating. It's been a couple hours now. So let's get started. We are browning our meat in our pot. Once we browned all our meat, we will throw in our potatoes in the air fryer and then do the rest. So I've already put in olive oil in the pot here. Here's what we're browning, and this is the stuff that's already gone through the browning process. So now let's slice our potatoes. So I'm gonna leave these like this. So we'll air fry the potatoes for like 25-30 minutes. Alright, so now we have seared all our meat. We are now sauteing garlic and onions in the same pot that we seared all the meat, okay? We want all that flavor that we created while searing. Let's put our meat in. And we also are combining the marinade that we use for the meat. Let's put in our bay leaves. Then put our cover on and let this simmer for a good maybe 30-35 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead and add our tomato sauce. So we can now add our potatoes and lime here. Let me actually taste it just to see if we need to adjust it. No adjustments needed. So good. So let's put in our lime and put in our potatoes. And there you go, guys. That's our pork asado. Let's mix it up a little. This is the Kapampangan-style Asado. The Mekeni style. So Mekeni guys, Mekeni manganta mo.